Nanotech Toothpaste, the future of oral care? Imagine a future where brushing your teeth does more than just clean them. What if that simple daily ritual could also repair your tooth enamel and actively protect your mouth from harmful bacteria at a microscopic level? That future may already be here, thanks to the marvel of nanotechnology. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible world of Nanotech Toothpaste, an innovation set to revolutionize oral care as we know it. Get ready to explore how this advanced breakthrough could transform your dental health for the better. Let's get started. Before we jump into toothpaste, let's first unpack what nanotechnology is. Essentially, nanotechnology involves manipulating materials at the nanoscale, the level of atoms and molecules. To put that in perspective, a nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. Think thousands of times smaller than a single human hair. At this scale, materials often display unique and powerful properties that can be harnessed to solve real-world problems, including those in healthcare. So, how does this tiny tech connect to dentistry? Nanoparticles in toothpaste work in transformative ways, targeting the vulnerabilities in our teeth and gums with pinpoint precision. This is far more than an upgrade. It's a total rethinking of how we approach oral care. Let's face it, despite decades of use, traditional toothpaste has its limitations. Sure, it can help clean your teeth, freshen your breath, and add some protection against cavities, but that's where its capabilities plateau. Enamel, the hard outer layer of your teeth, cannot regenerate once it's damaged. Traditional toothpaste might reduce sensitivity or surface stains, but it can't repair enamel or tackle bacteria that hide in microscopic crevices. That's why even with good oral hygiene habits, people still face challenges like cavities, gum disease, and tooth decay. Imagine looking under a microscope and seeing the cracks in your enamel or the colonies of bacteria that even vigorous brushing fails to eliminate. It's these limitations that Nanotech Toothpaste is designed to overcome. So what makes Nanotech Toothpaste so revolutionary? The secret lies in the nanoparticles. Tiny, engineered particles included in the toothpaste formula. These particles can penetrate microscopic cracks and spaces in your enamel that traditional toothpaste cannot reach. Let's break it down. When you brush with Nanotech toothpaste, these nanoparticles bond to the damaged areas of your enamel. Think of them as tiny repair workers filling cracks, creating a smoother, stronger surface. Over time, this can restore the structural integrity of your teeth and provide a protective barrier against future damage. But it doesn't stop there. Some nanoparticles are designed to specifically target harmful bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum disease. Armed with antimicrobial properties, they zap these bacteria right at the source, leaving your mouth cleaner and healthier. This two-pronged approach, repairing enamel and neutralizing bacteria, is the essence of Nanotech toothpaste. It's not just about cleaning your teeth, but actively improving and safeguarding their health. Now let's see how traditional toothpaste stacks up against its Nanotech counterpart. Imagine two toothbrushes side by side on your bathroom sink, each loaded with a different type of toothpaste. How do their effects differ in your mouth? Traditional toothpaste primarily relies on fluoride and mild abrasives to strengthen teeth and scrub away plaque. While fluoride is undeniably effective at preventing cavities, it doesn't actively repair significant damage or eliminate bacteria lodged in hard-to-reach areas. In contrast, Nanotech toothpaste takes a far more advanced approach. Its nanoparticles go beyond fluoride, targeting the root causes of tooth damage and decay. For example, let's visualize how it works. Animated nanoparticles swarming into cracks and forming a smooth, glass-like layer while simultaneously attacking harmful microbes. The result? Stronger, healthier teeth with fewer prospects for cavity formation or gum problems. Not only does the side-by-side comparison show the sheer power of this innovation, but it also opens a new world of possibilities for your dental routine. There's no shortage of excitement among dental professionals and researchers about the potential of Nanotech toothpaste. According to oral health experts, this innovation represents a step forward in addressing common dental problems that traditional products have struggled to resolve. Many believe it could help significantly lower rates of cavities and gum disease, especially in high-risk populations. Emerging studies also back up these claims. Research has demonstrated that nanoparticles, such as those made from hydroxyapatite, a natural component of tooth enamel, can effectively seal enamel cracks and reduce mineral loss. However, experts also remind us that while this technology is promising, it's not a miracle cure. Regular brushing, flossing, and checkups with your dentist will still be essential components of a healthy oral care routine. Still, the integration of Nanotech toothpaste can greatly enhance the results. So why should you care about Nanotech toothpaste? Let's boil it down to the key benefits. Enamel repair. The biggest game changer. Nanoparticles can fill and repair microscopic cracks, creating an enamel surface that's stronger and more resilient. Bacteria-fighting power. With advanced antimicrobial properties, Nanotech toothpaste targets harmful bacteria more effectively. Superior plaque protection. Keeping bad bacteria at bay reduces plaque buildup and lowers your overall risk of gum disease. Freshness amplified. By eliminating pesky bacteria, Nanotech toothpaste promotes fresher breath over time. Potential for cavity prevention. By strengthening enamel and fighting bacteria, this product decreases the likelihood of tooth decay. For anyone searching for cutting-edge solutions to enhance their dental health, these advantages make Nanotech toothpaste an exciting option. No innovation comes without questions or uncertainties. While Nanotech toothpaste sounds like a dream, there are practical challenges to consider. One concern is cost. Cutting-edge technology often comes with a premium price tag, and Nanotech toothpaste will likely be more expensive than traditional options, at least initially. But as the technology matures and production scales up, these costs may decrease. Another factor is accessibility. Will this product be readily available to everyday consumers, or will it be marketed primarily as a luxury item? Finally, there's the question of long-term effects. Although current studies show promising results, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term impact of nanoparticles on oral and overall health. Despite these considerations, one thing is clear. Nanotech toothpaste embodies the future of oral care. Its innovative approach aligns with advancements we're seeing in other areas of healthcare, from wearable health monitors to AI-driven medical diagnostics. Imagine coupling Nanotech toothpaste with a smart toothbrush that analyzes your enamel and gum health in real time, or syncing it with an app that predicts your cavity risk. The possibilities for integrating nanotechnology into a holistic oral care system are practically endless. Most importantly, it's a tool that empowers individuals to take better control of their oral health. With this technology, a strong, healthy smile is no longer just an aspiration, it's achievable. Now that you've heard all about the potential of Nanotech toothpaste, we'll leave you with one burning question. Would you try Nanotech toothpaste? Are you ready to upgrade your oral care routine with this cutting-edge technology, or are you sticking with traditional methods? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear what you think. Do you have concerns, or can you see this product fitting perfectly into your life? And if you're as excited about dental innovations as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's keep exploring the amazing ways technology is shaping our health and wellness. Until next time, smile into the future with Nanotech.